Kasim!
What?
Look, you have to come see this. The money's all gone.
No! How?
We've been robbed.
We need to call the cops, bruh.
This is no ordinary robbery. There is a dead pigeon in the Tupperware.
It's a message.
From who? From who do you think, man? It's from Shabir. He's sending us a message. Like in Godfather Part 1, when Don Corleone went to this producer Jack Waltz and told Jack Waltz to cast Johnny Fontaine in a movie, and then Jack Waltz didn't want to cast Johnny Fontaine. Next thing you know, Jack Waltz wakes up with a horse's head next to him in the bed. It's a message from the mafia.
But this is a pigeon.
It doesn't matter. A pigeon, a horse's head, a bunny. Doesn't matter.
A bunny?
Yes, in Fatal Attraction, Glenn Close uses the same technique to send a message. If you mess with me, I will boil your children's bunny.
Yusuf, calm down. Calm down. You're freaking me out, bruh. Calm down. Let's just call the cops and sort
You
this thing
don't
out.
understand, Kasim. We've got to go now.
Serpentine! Serpentine! Serpentine!
Why are you running at me?
Serpentine!